High winds, lightning, leaving a trail of damage across eastern Sacramento County today. Power lines down, homes damaged, and dozens without power as a fast-moving weather system swept through the area. Fox 40's Cedric Hood has a closer look at the damage.
Well, all eyes were on the wind today. I spent most of the morning and afternoon in Fair Oaks, as well as Carmichael, where that downburst did happen. And I spoke with one resident who's lived in Sacramento area for at least 30 years, and he said he's never seen anything like this. Heavy winds and lightning strikes sent branches flying, knocked out power, and damaged homes across eastern Sacramento County. This home in Carmichael faced unexpected damage from a tree. Fire crews say at one point there were more than 12 reports of downed lines and trees crashing into homes in Carmichael alone.
I was working on my roof, doing some repairs, and it was nice weather, nice and sunny, zero wind, and within about 2 minutes, it goes up to about 50-60 mile-an-hour winds. The
sudden windstorm turned his repairs into a scramble to save his roof. This video he shared with us shows just how intense the wind was.
Holy smokes. I was kind of anxious because I have my roof torn off, and I was hoping it wouldn't rain. And so I was kind of scrambling, and then I got up on back on the roof, and I said, no, I got to videotape this. Nobody's going to believe me. I think this might be a tornado.
Despite the chaos, Sac Metro Fire says they were able to keep up with calls across the county, sending extra crews and engines to areas hit hardest by the storm.
We're equipped to be able to handle any type of emergency. We sent quite a few resources out there, over 10 engines and command staff to assist with this. We have other stations that were able to backfill all of our other stations that were out. So even though we were extremely busy, we're able to respond to all of our emergencies in our jurisdiction.
Even with cooler temperatures on the way, it only takes one lightning strike or windstorm to cause a big problem in these dry conditions.
What we want the community to know is it is still summer, even though the weather is starting to cool off a little bit. We want you to know that the grass that is out there is still dry, the humidity is still low. The fact that we can have any type of significant event at any time, it's still, you need to be very, very vigilant about what's happening right now.
And for residents like Cornell, today's wind came by surprise.
Hey, this is a perfect time to replace the roof. We're not going to have any rain, and here we are, massive windstorm. I'd never seen this in Sacramento. I've been here for 34 years.
And Sac Metro Fire tells us this should be a reminder to the community to be weather aware because situations like this can turn dangerous fast. In Carmichael, covering local news that matters, Cedric Hood, Fox 40 News.